Hello everyone and welcome back to part 5 of the e-bike series. This time I'm going to be at least starting to give the bike a paint job, and in case you're wondering about progress of the bike, why videos haven't been uploaded very often, then the answer is that what you're seeing right now was shot and built in August this year and it's now October. Reason for that is when I was shooting all the footage I simply didn't have the time to edit the video at the time, and it's dragged on and on and on, and I'm only finally getting round to doing the editing now. So let's just say the bike has made a lot of progress since August, and I really want to get the videos out of the progress in August so I can show you the bike where it is now, because I think that'll be really exciting. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to do my best to get the videos out, but anyway, enjoy this one and stay tuned for the next one and the rest of the series. So before I sprayed my bike for real, I roughened up the surface of the spot on my old bike to test on. I then proceeded to wear my glorious yellow safety goggles and add some car spray primer that contained zinc to hopefully prevent rust and corrosion. This was the first time I'd ever spray painted, so my technique wasn't too good, and as you'll see later, some of my layers weren't the most even. Now you can finally see properly that these are the boxes that will house the electronics, and in an attempt to help with water resistance and aesthetics, I put a bead of black silicone in every corner and then scraped it clean with some cardboard. I then added some around the top edge to help prevent water and dust coming in the top, and so far that's worked really well, and it would happen that the same day I recorded this we were having the piano tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start with this blue section here that pivots up and down, because this is the rear suspension bike, so I've taken out the coil. I'm going to wait for the silicone to dry, and then tomorrow I'm going to drill the holes in this section here, and then paint it once I've drilled the holes so I don't scuff it up and everything with the drilling. So first of all I'm going to sand this bit down, roughen up the surface, not quite to the bare metal, that would take far too long, and then mask off this section here so I don't get paint all in the gears and this bit to start with. I'll go back and touch it up later, but I'm just going to get the majority of this done. Once the rear of the bike was primed, I moved on to the front forks as they were the smallest individual part to do, where I repeated the same process of sanding and then priming. I then went to the back and added a second coat to cover up any spots I'd missed and give a more even coating. I could have sanded the coats in between, but I didn't. And then with the magic of editing, some gloves and a face mask appeared on me. No, seriously, the real. I only just realised I didn't like the taste of paint that much. Before I did the rest, there were some stickers on the side of the bike which took me a long time to remove, so I didn't bore you. Next was the middle of the bike, so the same technique of sand and then prime began. By this time, my technique had improved a bit as I was going more in strokes. I also masked off part of the frame as I wasn't ready to paint the front yet. Once that was done, I tried to remove some rust from the pedals before priming, but ended up not bothering and painting on top. Bad technique, I know. So I know you probably can't see me because of the bad positioning of the camera, but I've had an idea. Try and get a better coat of paint on the forks. So conveniently in the garage there's this string here, so I'm going to try wrapping this string through the hole and then kind of dangling it, and then yeah, something like that. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now that coat's dried, we've gotten the second and final coat. All done. So, thanks for watching to the end of another one of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe down here, hit the like button and comment down below if you've got any future video suggestions. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.